What's up guys, and welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to hide taskbar when you are recording in OBS. So when we're talking about taskbar, this is the taskbar, the whole thing that is at the bottom of this screen. Some of you may have it at the top here or on the sideways. So at some point when you're recording, you may feel necessary to hide this taskbar. So let me just open up the OBS recording application. So this is the OBS. This is how it looks. In order to hide this taskbar, you can see that if I start recording, everything at this bottom at the taskbar will be shown on the video. So if you want to hide this, you can go to the scene that you can see that I have two scenes. I have math and YouTube. So let's say that you're using this math. Click on the capture or on the display capture or the whichever name that you've given to your display capture, and then right click on it, go to transform, and then select edit transform, and then you need to, let me read. So you cannot hide taskbar by dragging this up and down. That won't help. You'll only be resizing the image, the video. So if you want to resize that, you simply increase the bottom here. So under bounding box size, select the bottom and then increase that number, or you can simply, if you know that pixel, like mine is around 40, if I click 40, you can see that on the preview here the taskbar is not shown. So, and then go to bounding box type and then select stretch to bounds. Click on that, and then so when you start recording, you'll see that the taskbar will not be shown. So that's it. That's how you can actually hide taskbar while you're recording in OBS. See you in the next tutorial.